On today's menu, one of my favorite drinks of all time, vegan matcha latte.
Lei Ho Ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is one of my favorite drinks and it's super easy to make.
Fill your cup with hot water to keep it warm. 1 teaspoon matcha. Use a sieve to prevent clumps. 3 tablespoons hot water. Whisk in a W or M motion.
Think of your matcha like a luxurious cup of espresso with a great crema. You want it luxuriously frothy.
2 tablespoons cane sugar. 1.5 cups almond milk. Insert your steam wand on an angle to create a swirl motion. When the bottom of the cup becomes too hot to touch, steam for another 10 seconds and it's done. Clean off your steam wand with a damp towel. Turn on the steam to purge. Matcha, almond milk,
Not only does it look beautiful, it is absolutely delicious. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. So luxurious. Not only does it look incredible, not only does it look incredible, it is absolutely delicious. Not only does it look incredible, it is